Children, do you know when do we celebrate the International Yoga Day? Yes, we celebrate it every year on 21st June. This day is celebrated to bring awareness of the benefits of yoga.
Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. So, let's begin with some simple yoga exercises.
Tadasana. Tadasana or a mountain pose is a basic standing asana. Start by standing straight and keeping both your feet together. Raise your hands only slightly with your palms facing your thighs. Keep your heels firm. Tighten every part of your body, the legs, the knees and the thighs. Tuck in your stomach and tighten your elbows. Do not turn your neck. Broaden your chest and remember to breathe normally. Stay for 20 to 30 seconds. Tadasana corrects the back postures and strengthens the back. Now slowly relax your body. Doing this every day will really help. But you need to do at least 3 times a week to get the benefit of the asana. Urdhva Hastasana. Stand in Tadasana or the mountain pose. Stretch your arms over your head with the palms facing each other. Breathe normally as many people tend to hold their breath. Stay for half a minute. This pose teaches you to stand correctly and makes the mind alert. Now slowly bring your hands down and relax. Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana or a tree pose is a standing asana that improves balance. Stand in Tadasana. Bend your right knee and holding your ankle with your hand, place your right foot on your inner left thigh. Rest your hand on your hips. Stretch your arms upwards and join your palms. Stay for 30 seconds to 1 minute. It will get challenging initially, but stand firm and focus at one point on the floor to maintain balance. Slowly bring your hands down and return to Tadasana. Now keep your right leg straight and bend your left leg. Repeat the posture while balancing on a right leg. Vrikshasana strengthens the shoulders and legs and improves concentration. You now know what to practice to help you to focus while studying. Utkarasana. In this asana, we pretend to be sitting on a chair and therefore it is called the chair pose. Start by standing in Tadasana. Stretch your arms upwards and join your palms. Bend your knees and look straight ahead. Do not forget to breathe normally. Stay for 5 to 15 seconds. This asana strengthens ankles, calf, inner thighs and back. Remember not to lean forward while doing this asana. Now slowly come up and bring your hands down. Relax your body.
Children, remember, a healthy mind dwells in a healthy body. So, exercise daily to remain fit and healthy.